Do you want to get your tracks finished for a change?
Take your production to the next level.
We've come up with a bootcamp with industry professionals that will help you overcome these difficulties, make better tracks, and get your productions finished. You'll get online sessions, over 35 hours, Q&A, and direct feedback from your instructors. You'll be creating a track from scratch, creating a rhythm section and building your ideas. And you'll be able to apply the concepts that we learn right away, from mixing to automation, applying effects, and get the most from your talent.
This bootcamp is for music producers that have already explored a bit of Ableton and want to dive a little deeper. We are providing every member a free license
to Elements Suite from Isotope. This pack includes some of my favorites such as RX, Ozone, Neutron, and Nectar Elements.
This software will help you mix and master with more detail, as well as repair damaged audio with the most state-of-the-art tools.
You won't be able to find a deal like this anywhere.
Understand your sound, find new ways to be inspired, and discover your true creative potential. Join us and improve your music productions.